be so cold. Left me standing there with my hands gone numb, on the edge of what we'd become. You said hold on tight, then you let go slow. Now the whole house shakes when the porch boards moan. I keep hearing that door in the dark down the hall. I keep asking your name, but you don't call.